considered doing one of this and one of this, but honestly, just for science sake, why don't we just do the side by side? I think it's smart to keep it the same one. Yeah. Okay. Do I have a volunteer who would like to help pour this stuff? Okay. Malik, I appreciate the way that you've been waiting so quietly. Would you please help me do this? Malik, do me a favor, love, because we got to protect your gorgeous eyes. Put those on. Here, and then try to turn around so Miss Virgily can catch you on film. There you go. So Malik, come over here. All right, Malik's gonna be our Mr. Wizard. Malik, do me a favor. It's a powdery substance, yeah, and we agreed it's kind of fine. Somebody the other day said, oh, blow on it. Is that a good plan? No, because that stuff could go flying, right? And that's not necessarily a great idea. In the center of this pan, go ahead and try to keep it in like as upright as you can, like a pile of it. I'll tell you when. Keep going. You gotta just wash it. That's probably okay. And then do the same thing on this pan here. Maybe it's all right.
Can we use the other chemical, like comparing which one acts faster?
Yeah, that one too. And then I have one more thing for you to do on this. Okay, one of the things we noticed, if we have like a spot essentially to pour the glycerin, it for some reason seemed to work out for us. Probably your smallest finger possible, and try to remember that the camera's behind you, so you want to, yeah, there you go. Go ahead and make like a divot if you can. Okay, maybe a tiny bit more. See, his is better than mine. Are you trying to show me out, Malik?
No. Yeah.
Malik's trying to make me look bad. Okay, so perfect, excellent. Give him a good. So you can take a step back, please. And then, can I have another volunteer to help out with this glycerin? Okay, Eric, are you up for the task? Oh boy. Can you see without your glasses on?
Yeah.
Okay. Why don't we hold those though? That way they don't. Pockets don't seem to do good things for glasses at times. Okay, so good sir, you are a glycerin man, yes? Now, we did talk about this the other day, you guys. What did we say about glycerin and the potassium permanganate? Are these guys friends?
No.
Not really. And so it's one of the reasons why we're doing this experiment, because we know that, hey, you can't just stick chemicals in a cabinet together knowing that they might not get along too well. These guys they react, right? But it's probably not going to be in our favor, okay? So we have to be careful with that stuff. Now, Eric's got the glycerin, and does anyone remember what we said this stuff is essentially? Glycerin is...
Sugar water.
Yeah, it's like sugar water. You know, I've never potentially tried to make my own glycerin. They say it's like sugar water, but I always order it from a science company, so, you know, some people have said you can find it in pharmacies and whatnot. I have not, so... Beside the point, Eric, you're going to be my pour person. So here's the scoop, ladies. Thank you. We agreed that when we pour this, we need to leave some oxygen. So do you guys agree with me that we don't want to cover the entire pile? Yes. Yeah, and so in Eric's case, when I give him the go-ahead, okay, he's going to pour, and I think we're going to have him pour onto Malik's pile, because again, Malik was making me look bad, and his volcano is better than mine. That's what it looks like. It's a volcano, right?
Yours looks
as it should be, though.
You look the middle.
We'll give Malik the A+ on that one. So Eric's gonna pour into this one, and basically what he's going to do, he's gonna fill the crater, and then he's gonna let a little bit dribble over the sides, but not like cover the entire thing. After that, you're gonna get out of the way, and I'm gonna pour this, and we're all gonna watch. Okay? Got it?
Your water smells, and I can smell it from
here. Oh, it
here.
does not smell, does it?
A bit.
Oh God, it does. I love how I'm like, oh, it doesn't smell. It hears me like trying to sniff it. Is it a good idea to stick your nose in a bottle like that? No.
It's the thought that counts.
See, that's the funny thing. Well, and keep in mind, I've been working with this stuff for several years, but
a bit more?
yeah, go ahead, do a little bit more, and you got to get out of the way then. Okay, move.
Oh, that was good.
Move it or lose it, okay? All right, so this one, keep your eye on that, and I'm going to go ahead and cover this one entirely. This is going to probably end up being a hot mess. Okay, and we're going to step back, and we're just going to watch.
Step back, everyone.
Keep in mind, you guys, when it starts to smoke, you need to move out of the way of the line of smoke, okay? Now, watch this one, because again, we're looking at it and we're all skeptical given our experience the other day. But I think that, watch, I'll probably start talking and it'll do the exact same thing, right? No, we did not have that experience in 6A, so hopefully we don't have that experience here.
Why did you put more on this one?
Good question. Yeah, why did we put more on this one?
I mean, like,
This one reacts faster.
comparing to which one
I think yours will, because you left a few spots open.
You're right, but it doesn't really have any oxygen going to it.
I think you should put a bit more on the one that's empty.
I'm Malik.
No, I think we should give it a
I'm gonna have my
chance.
glasses back. I've been wearing these and these feel tight.
Thank you. What? They're like Tom Cruise Mission Impossible.
Yeah, I know, except they're a bit tight.
Do you guys want to see me wear them?
Yeah.
These are like the kiddie version though. They're not really kiddie version. These are like the cool version. Let me clean these off. Okay, what's going on with this thing?
It's not going. You should put some more.
Thank you, Captain. Captain, we have Captain Obvious over here.
Miss Davis, shake it. Remember what happened last time?
Yeah, I know. See, this is the part though where like,
That's what went wrong. We didn't change us.
don't move.
Are you doing your own experiment?
No.
Fail again.
Miss Davis.
What?
Fail again.
No, you better not say what you said last time. Got Ad and I over here.
I smell smoke, but I don't.
No, this is
That's the sugar water.
Hold on a second, because who was
It was Doctor who said it.
Okay, question for you guys. This is actually cool. This is what we did last time. If you Boy Scouts, right, or any Scout people, you guys light fires. When you have a fire that's not burning, what do you need to do?
Put more fire. Put more logs on.
Well, but how?
Like you started off with there's 2 rocks, or you put more wood, or you put more oil. You put like either lighter. You don't even put the oil in it.
Okay, hold on. We're not going to mess with lighter fluid. We're talking, you're in the woods and you're making a fire. Let's say it's not igniting.
You spark it.
Yeah, I can light it.
We're not setting your own. You make it spark.
Right. But what I'm asking you guys is this, you're missing something, okay? It's not sparking. What needs to happen?
Dry leaves.
But that's a bad idea in this case. Why? You're right. In a fire, you could blow on it because it adds oxygen. Why would we not blow on this?
It'll go anyway.
You're right, the powder.
Accidentally dropped.
Okay. Question though. I don't know if you guys have ever, like, you're lighting a fire in your house.
Mixing it. Okay.
I'm not saying mix it, but we'll poke it. This is kind of a disappointment. Like, why doesn't it work for your class and it works for the other? I don't get it.
Every time you mess with it, it starts going.
It's just bad
I think
luck.
the same people that walked away last time should walk away and see if the same thing happens.
We're not going anywhere.
And we'll call them.
You know what? We're staying here. It might be 8 o'clock tonight,
Wait. I remember you poured it on the napkin.
but you're right. But I don't want to do that necessarily because it's probably not the sharpest idea.
Wait, you just poured it.
Yeah, you put water. You put water on that. You put water on that.
You did pour a bit
You
on
put water on the one with more.
No, you should put water inside the cup thing or
Yeah,
whatever.
like right before.
H2O has oxygen.
Now it's red. Why
See how
is red?
purple it is? Isn't that cool?
It turned purple
Yeah,
last
I just don't. I don't get it. I really don't.
But why it was on fire?
Fail.
Chemicals, this is so
Yeah.
Because
scary.
virtually this is a fail. Oh, there it goes.
Oh my god.
Okay, that was like a total letdown. It's not even a
I'm
blow.
afraid. I'm afraid.
Now that one's sizzling. Look.
Oh my
The
god.
drops are sizzling there.
Miss Davis, I think you should be careful. It's dripping.
That kind
Oh my
of.
god, it's smoking.
You have
All right, ladies, move out of the way, please, so you don't get smoking.
Look at it burn.
It looks like
Look at magma. Look at lava.
You're right.
The stick is burning.
Sorry.
someone step on that.
No, don't step on it.
Look, this is wild.
It looks like
I feel like you need marshmallow. Okay. No.
Can you trip it on my hand, lady?
No, come on, you guys. Is that a safe idea?
You should keep the
Okay,
stick.
question. Because and I'm like the Mr. Wizard over here going, yeah, let's keep adding stuff. But what did you notice? If you keep adding stuff, it eventually has to burn it up, yes? So it's not technically the boldest idea to do that. What's going on with this one, though?
Water.
All right. I mean, look, technically we're not supposed to add water to begin with, but hey. It doesn't seem like we're doing anything orthodox at this point. Guys, you need to back up, sweetie. Thank you. Back up, back up. 6A. 6A. Go back to class. Go back to class.
Oh my god.
Ew. That looks weird. Ew. You gotta
Guys, go back.
I know, let's take a look.
Come on, babe. Use your common sense. Okay, back up, guys.
Anthony, maybe over here.
move it towards me.
Yeah, it's like that's why you move away.
That looks like soup.
That looks like lava.
No, it looks like burnt omelet.
Well, I'll point something Yeah, were we actually supposed to put water in either one of those? No.
But it made it look cooler.
Maybe the glycerin had lack of water.
There's no fire.
I don't know. It's actually really I truly have not ever done this experiment where I had that experience. And last time too, what did we do differently last time?
Shook it.
No, there was something different about the setup.
You put water on the towel.
It was two of them.
You didn't put water.
Oh, you flipped it upside down.
You're right. The pie pan was upside down, and so look, that probably has zero to do with it, but we don't know that. I'm pointing out things that we altered here, just because it's kind of cool and fun.
Can we try it?
Wait, what about the other powder you brought?
You remember who?
It does, yeah.
Smells like
Guys, you need to move out of the way of the smoke, please. Thank you.
It looks like blue
something. Oh yeah, okay, burnt marker.
Here, we're gonna put it out.
Maybe this caused it to react more.
Oh, that was gonna make it worse.
Oh.
brown.
Right,